In Kenya, the rice irrigation schemes are particularly characterized by bird poisoning, where locals use chemical pesticides to poison birds and sell to the other inhabitants to eat for food. The poisoned birds only take a few minutes to get disoriented and they end up falling on the fields. Those that are not dead are actually beaten up using clubs to incapacitate them. The poachers take them, put them in sacks, and take them to surround local markets as well as homes where the locals cook and eat them. When people consume the birds, the most commonly used pesticides is neurotoxic, carbofuran, and this ends up affecting them or they get intoxicated slowly. So in time, they could end up dying. Have established a local monitoring team whose presence on the site deters the poisoning. When poachers see this team or the members on the ground, then they are discouraged from the poisoning. Any bird eventually is at intoxication risk. I have documented 33 species, and the most commonly or the most targeted species is the African open-bill species. Out of the 33, 11 species were Palearctic migrants. This means they come from Europe, Russia. In the past, there were incidences of white storks passing through the area, but the subpopulation that used to use the site was poisoned. I have been conducting informal education programs, but I'm also talking to children in schools and trying to educate them against eating these birds. This is a very important project because we have human lives at risk, and this is not a problem for Africa only, it's a problem for Europe, Asia, and Africa. It is a global problem. I have been doing all this work without government support. We need everybody's contribution and everybody's support